This is the corrections video for lesson 42. This is all about cut time. Now, cut time is not as hard or as scary as we make it in our heads, okay? It will always look like 4/4 time. We just count it faster. We count everything with half the value, so we cut everything in half. A whole note now gets 2 beats. A half note now gets 1 beat. Quarter notes get a half a beat. And we do it because it's easier and cleaner to read 4/8 notes than it is to read 4/16 notes. Okay, it's just cleaner on the page. It's easier to write when we were writing music by hand. That's why cut time exists. So a C without a slash through it is common time. That's the same as 4/4. The C with the slash through it is cut time, sometimes called a la breve, meaning of the half note, because a breve, that's a fancy word for a half note. Cut time has 2 beats in each measure, and the half note receives the beat. So it still has 2 half notes in every measure, just like 4/4 time does, but now it's like we're counting by half notes instead of counting by quarter notes. So number 4, complete the measure. It's gonna look like 4/4 time. So we're gonna put in another half note. Here we're going to add a quarter note because we just want it to look like 4/4 time. Cut time always looks like 4/4 time. The counting just feels a little bit different. And we can add notes or rests, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do all notes because I like that better. Okay, you can have the rest equivalents, obviously. Okay, it's just going to look like 4/4 time. It's just going to look like 4/4 time. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to have 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. Okay, it feels like 4/4 time, but instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, we say 1 and 2 and. All right, number 5, it wants us to circle the measures that are wrong. So anything that is not looking exactly like 4/4 time is going to get a circle. This one doesn't look like 4/4 time. This one doesn't look like 4/4 time. This one doesn't look like 4/4 time. And this one doesn't look like 4/4 time. They all have more than 4 quarter notes or more than 2 half notes worth of value, so they are imposters. All right, number 6, drawing in bar lines. Again, we're just making it look like 4/4 time. That's all it is. So every 4 quarter notes, or every 2 half notes, or every 8 eighth notes, we are going to draw a bar line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 for the half note, 3, 4 quarter notes. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats in 4/4 time. It's gonna look exactly the same as 4/4 time. Then here, looking exactly the same as 4/4 time, looking exactly the same as 4/4 time, looking exactly the same as 4/4 time, double bar line at the end. But instead of counting this 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to count it 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 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 and 2 and. It's going to feel just like 4/4 time, but we count it just a little bit differently. And really, it only matters to me, the conductor. Makes it so that I can wave my arm half as many times and hopefully put off getting rotator cuff surgery just a little bit longer. Okay, Make sure that yours looks like mine and submit it on Canvas.